Good morning. I warmly welcome you to the financial accounting class. Today we are learn about the trading profit and loss account. This trading profit and loss account is otherwise known as income statement. Income statement showing the revenues and expenses. So it helps to know the income generated in a particular period. It depicts the business entity's financial performance due to operations as well as other activities. Income statements are trading account, profit and loss account. Trading account, the first section of income statement. In this statement is helped to find out the gross profit. Gross profit, it is the profitability of the goods brought and manufactured and sold by the firm. Sales minus cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold is equal to opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock. This is the format of trading account for the year ended 31st December. The debit side, particulars, amount column, as well as in the credit side also particulars and amount column. In the debit side, to opening stock, purchase, to wages, to carriage inwards, to gross profit. In the credit side, by sales, by closing stock. Then next, the by gross profit carried forward. Opening stock, the remained unsold stock at the end of the previous year got into books with the help of the opening entry. In the first year of a business, there will be no opening stock. Purchases, the total purchases, that is cash plus credit purchases, any return outwards should be deducted out of purchases. Buying expenses, all expenses relating to purchase of goods are also debited in the trading account. That's like carriage inwards freight, duty, clearing charges, excise duty, import duty, etc. Manufacturing expenses, such expenses are incurred by the businessman to manufacture or to render the goods in saleable condition. Motive power, gas, fuel, stores, royalties, factory expenses, foreman and supervisor's salary, etc. Then sales. Sales means total sales, that is cash plus credit sales. If there are any sales returns, these should be deducted from sales. Then closing stock. It is the value of stock lying unsold in the godown or shop on the last date of accounting period. Then profit and loss account. First to find out the net profit, then difference between the operating expenses and income. This is the format for the profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March. First debit side particulars and amount column, as well as the credit side particulars and the amount column. The debit side column, the items are to salaries, to carriage outwards, to interest on out, to bad debts, to advertising, to export duty, to packages, to rent, to commission paid, to reputation. Then the last one is to net profit transfer to capital account. Then in the credit side, by gross profit carry forward, then brought forward, then by discount received, by commission received, by rent received, by interest received, by income from investments, by dividend received. Indirect expenses, selling and distribution expenses, administrative expenses, financial expenses, maintenance, depreciations and provisions, etc. Selling and distribution expenses, salesman salary, commission to agents, price and carriage on sales, sales tax, bad debts, advertising, packaging expenses, export duty, etc. Administrative expenses like office and salaries and wages, insurance, legal expenses, trade expenses, rates and taxes, audit fees, insurance, rent, printing, stationery, postage and telegraph, bank charges, etc. Then financial expenses like discount allowed, interest on capital, interest on loan, discount charges on bill discounted. Then maintenance and depreciation and provisions, repairs, depreciation on assets, provision are reserved for doubtful debts, reserved for discount on debtors. Okay, thank you.